Hello and welcome to SEO Science. In part 6 we covered how to manage your business listings. Now let's get into get links from websites in your local area. The significance of links often goes unnoticed by most small business owners. Yet obtaining links to your website can be instrumental in enhancing your search engine results, ultimately leading to increased sales and a broader customer base. My perspective on link attraction revolves around a publicity angle. It involves strategies that help spread the word about your business, educate others, and actively participate in the community. By adopting this approach, you can generate more visibility, establish credibility, and foster strong connections with potential customers. That was just step 7 of 11 steps you need to take to improve your SEO game for your small business. Keep your eyes peeled for step 8. If you like what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further tips or advice. First steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.